We are ambitious creatures. We want to conquer the world. We want to become the best versions of ourselves. We want to prove the world that we are not worthless. We want to achieve success and prosperity. But when reality hits us, we realize that just dreaming is not going to help us in achieving our goals. Today, I am going to talk about a boy who dreamed about success, who dreamed about becoming the best runner in fifth grade, but he couldn't do it. Today, I am going to discuss the book Bridge to Terabithia. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second video in the playlist of books for beginners. There are three things that you need to remember before reading this book. The sentence structure is a little bit complex, a lot of new English words, and the story is a little bit difficult to follow. If you are a student of English language and you want to improve your English, then you should read this book. Let me give you a brief introduction of the book. There are two main characters in this book, Jess Aarons and Leslie Brooke. Jess Aarons is an 11-year-old boy and he studies in grade 5. He wants to become the fastest runner in his class. His personality is ambiguous and he is struggling in his life. He is unable to navigate his ambitions and his desires. His father expects him to be a young man. His family expects him to be a dutiful son, and his friends expects him to be a better sportsman. He is trying to do all the things, but he can't do neither of them. He put all his attention to be the best runner, but he is unable to do the task. And the other character is Leslie Brooke. She is intelligent, brave, and superior to Jess Aarons in intellect and wisdom. She comes into the school and beats Jess Aarons in racing, but they become fast friends soon afterwards. She teaches Jess Aarons how to be brave, how to take risks in life. Sometimes someone comes in our lives and make us brave, intelligent, and spark that little bit of fire that is necessary for our success and growth. Leslie Brooke do that thing for Jess Aarons. This is the story of these two friends who built an imaginary place called Terabithia in the forests, and they go there regularly and they forget all their daily life problems there. It is an imaginary place and they become the king and queen of that place. But Jess Aarons, throughout the novel, is unable to let go of his fears of failure, and Leslie Brooke motivates him to take the risk. This novel is a little bit difficult to follow, but you will definitely understand it if you read it with focus and with attention, and you will learn how to take risks, and you will definitely learn how to become the best version of yourself.